Okay, our Subaru Impreza, and what's this? Looks like the check engine light has come on. Okay, well, the internet says that could be either a loose gas cap or something in the emission system. So maybe I didn't screw the gas cap on tight enough, so let's try to reset the check engine light and see if that fixes the problem. Okay, upon hooking the computer up to the car and turning the engine on, it gave the error code P0457, which for Subaru is an evaporative emission system leak detected, or the gas cap was loose. So better go check the gas cap to make sure that that's tightened up and see if that fixes the problem. Okay, so our error was evaporative emission system leak. They're suggesting that the fuel cap is loose. So let's try to take a look at the fuel cap and see if there's a problem with it. Okay, so we'll pop the fuel gauge and we'll go over here and open her up. Take a look. Look at the O-ring. The O-ring looks like it's perfectly fine. Yeah, we just didn't screw it on tight enough last time. Let's try to make sure it's tight. Close her up and let's try her out to see. We gotta disconnect the engine, the battery. Okay, now we're going to have to remove the positive cable from the battery. We want to remove the positive cable because the negative side is hooked to the chassis of the car, and it doesn't do any good to remove the negative ones. It's a lot easier to disconnect the circuit from the positive side. So we'll remove the positive cable and we'll let the car sit for a while so the engine light can reset. Disconnect the power completely is disconnect the positive side. So we'll disconnect the power for a while. Count for, because there's capacitors and other things in there, so it could take a while for the power to drain. Okay, so just let it sit for a little while without it touching. Okay. You can actually even try to turn the key on to make sure there's no power. So we can hook these loops back up again. Put the loops on there. Put the nut back on. Tightened up. Okay. We don't want that to come loose again while we're driving around or something, so we want to make sure that's good and tight. And then let's see if it worked or not. I guess it did not work. Still on. Okay, this time, here we go. We disconnected the battery for over an hour. Last time I disconnected it for about 5-10 minutes, and the the engine light didn't go out. Oh, and there we go. Looks like we fixed the problem. So you have to disconnect the battery for about an hour and then reconnect it back up, and that will reset the check engine light, so you can be all set to go. Thanks for watching.